Hello my friend, I'm here again with another parcel from the States. There should be some train stuff inside this box, so let's see what is inside, right? Okay, let's start. Right. Okay. Let's see what it is here. Wow. Okay. What is this? Right. Well, we know that there is some scale, I think it's a locomotive. So let's see. Right, an RS-3 Lionchief Plus locomotive, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, the user's manual for the loco. Here we are. Right. Here we have. Okay. Right. We've got here some smoke fluid and some traction tires inside. Right. Here we've got the remote control, the Lionchief Plus remote control, okay. And here we've got the loco. We're going to take it out of the box, right? Okay. There are a lot of foam protections. I'm going to take them all off. Right. Here, another one here. There is long one to protect the handrails. Only one on the side, another one here, this one here. There are some foam protections between the tracks and the cell. This one out, and the last protections on the rear coupler and on the front coupler. Right. Okay, fine. Okay. It's a Delaware and Hudson 4121 locomotive. It's a Lionchief Plus that can be used with your smartphone using Bluetooth. You can see the Bluetooth symbol here. That means that you can control the speed, the smoke, the sound, all the Lionchief Plus features using your smartphone, right? Apart from that, you have here the switches for the sound, the smoke, and to control it with remote control or with a transformer. And well, this is the locomotive, right? I think it's gorgeous. It's an Alco RS-3, and well, as soon as possible I'll record another video testing it on track, right? I hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Bye.